What's going on over here? What's going on? Mama, what are you letting happen over here?
The chicken was dirty.
What are you talking about? The chicken was dirty. Hey guys, what's going on? Wait a second.
Chicken happy?
Whoa!
You know what's happening?
How did that chicken get in there?
I put him in.
Maddie's a chicken whisperer. She's the
Joe,
rooster whisperer.
is the chicken happy, Joe?
Is Joe happy?
Joe, are you happy?
He's never gonna want to swim with us. He's never gonna want to swim with us. Maybe the chicken's done.
We borrowed your chicken, Jazzy. Very clean now. It's a very clean chicken.